This is group 4, muscles of the neck and head. And we're not going to do all of the muscles that are here, but we'll highlight the main ones. This is the sternomastoid right here. You can see it's coming from the sternum and it's going all the way back deep down to the mastoid process on the skull. So that's this muscle here, which the green pin is in. And then next to that is the clitomastoid, also coming from the clavicle here, and also angling back up towards the back of the head. And that's what the orange pin is in, this one right here. And then more lateral than that is the basioclavicularis, which is what the purple pin is in. This is this guy here. And just for a point of reference, we included putting a blue pin in the levator scapulae ventralis right here. Okay, so those are 3 muscles right there. Coming to the front of the neck, covering the trachea, is the sternohyoid muscle, and this is actually 2 bands. We've got them separated here, so you can see how there's 2 bands, but they go all the way up to the hyoid bone, and the hyoid bone is actually visible here. This comes up and across. This is the only bone in the body that does not articulate with another bone. So this is sternohyoid, both bands. Above the hyoid bone here is the mylohyoid with the yellow pin in it. And that goes up to the floor of the mouth from the hyoid bone. The 2 green pins are in the digastric muscle, coming from up by the mandible and out in two directions here. Those are the dark green pins. And over here on the side of the face is the masseter. This is the big muscle that is used to close the mouth. That's what the white pin is in. It's a big circular muscle here. So we'll go backwards now to where we started, just to review. Oops. Lost a pin. This is the masseter. Green pins are in the digastric muscle. Yellow pin is in the mylohyoid muscle. And here's our hyoid bone as a point of reference. This is the sternohyoid muscle. We've got 2 separate bands here that are fused together, but we separated them down here. And then our sternomastoid right here. Clitomastoid, the orange pin, and then basioclavicularis with the purple pin.